So tell me about yourself. Why do you think you deserve this program? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? These are all questions we think about, and we might even think about how to answer them. Well, I think I've got it down. I am an energetic student. I take part in global politics, and I have an interest in diplomacy, as you can see from this picture. I also take part in environmental activism, and I'm very active in the community. I've also been described as a go-getter, as someone who thinks outside the box by my previous employer at my internship. Well, this was an exaggeration, but these are the symptoms that a victim of CV culture may produce. So what is CV culture? Well, CV culture is the wide social practice that is followed by mainly populations applying to colleges and seeking jobs, where they attempt to deceive and even outright lie about their accolades on their application. So today, I will talk about how to prevent yourself from being part of this culture, how it is beneficial to avoid this culture, and what well-rounded and how badly your application is seen when it is well-rounded. So the first stage of CV culture is innocence. This is the stage where you pursue career opportunities, where you engage in extracurricular activities that you wish to do in lieu with where you want to be and what you want to become. You're usually free of any societal or professional pressures, and the CV culture has not yet seeped in. The next stage is the loss of innocence. It is the realization that getting the job that is perfect for you or the program you really like is actually very less. And so the obvious reaction to this is to actively work to improve these chances. This is a simple infographic that shows how competitive the job market is today. 250 resumes, 4 and 6 candidates reviewed, and only 1 gets a job on average. This statistic is from glassdoor.com. So when we encounter these problems, we start to go into a frenzy, a panic of sorts, compulsively taking part in anything that comes our way, whether it is debates, quizzes, talent competitions, personality tests, extracurricular exams, maybe even giving a TED talk. We might do anything in the pool of what is available. But the problem we encounter here is that it shows a lack of authenticity and a degree of competence and expertise in a particular field. A study conducted by IESD New York showed that an example of something like community service, volunteering, its overall positive impact went up by 10% when it was supplemented by a personal statement entailing the experience. This showed that authenticity is greatly valued during the admission process. Another very important study that shatters the so-called myth of being well-rounded to be accepted into a reputed college or land that dream job is to be well-rounded. Well, another study conducted by State New York University, it showed that while extracurricular activities are appreciated, it is not everything. For example, they surveyed many college admission counselors from various US colleges and asked them to give a rating from 0 to 3. 0 being a baseline of no importance to 3 being the highest amount of considerable importance. Now, when extracurricular activities were inspected, they showed 38% of a level 2, which is limited importance, and 33.3% of moderate importance. But when asked a specific question on 1 or 2 activities which the candidate is greatly involved in, the responding rate shot up by 90%. This shows that the angular candidate is the successful candidate. Being well-rounded is synonymous with projecting an artificial persona. While these statistics may seem bleak, you do not have to go this way. By being authentic and by showing good and exceptional skills in 1 or 2 fields, not every field, you can greatly improve your chances of landing that dream job or getting that great degree program. I want to say that CV culture dilutes skills greatly. By listing 10 skills within the same application, students and employees often degrade the particular skill. It is better, which research has shown through empirical literature, that 1 or 2 skills at best are great for improving your chances of landing that dream job or that good degree program. You can make an active choice right now to fight the CV culture, to not use words like out of the box, talented and passionate, and rather show by example through exceptional talent and authentic interest that you are truly deserving of the job, to tell the candidate, to tell the interviewer about yourself, and to tell people what you will be like in 10 years. Thank you.